What's cooking good looking? Learn how to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11. So open your browser and at the very top, just type Google space Chrome and enter. You will find the google.com, the very first result. Please make sure that you only visit google.com, download Google Chrome one click away with autofill. So I'll click on that. And here you will find the browser built to be safe and yours. Download Chrome. Now here, help make Chrome better by automatically sending usage statistics. If you wish, you can check it. And if you don't, you can simply uncheck it and click on Download Chrome. Now, once you will download, the Chrome setup will be downloaded at the top right corner or the bottom right or bottom left. You just need to open the file and you need to click on yes, and you will see it's downloading and installing Google Chrome in your computer. Once it is installed, you will find the icon on your desktop as well as the icon in your start button as well. So once you click on the start icon, go to all apps and you will find Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. You can see the Google Chrome has been installed. And congratulations. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.